Hello, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to use select tools in picture editing in Canva. All right, let me go through to my Canva. So here I'm going to show you how to edit your photo by using the select tools. All right, there are so many features in editing photo. All right, there's a remove background. Let me just pick this particular photo. And there's different features. As I can see, it's currently loading. So once it loads, we can be able to edit it. Now there are so many features on Canva that you can use. All right, there is remove background and remove all the background. Now there is this select tool that you are seeing here. This first tool here is what we are going to use. This particular tool, we only select a particular thing from the background and remove it in case you want to remove something from the background. All right, so this select tool will be able to do that for you. Let me just click on the edit. I'll click on select. All right, so as you can see, it's already picking the tools that I'm going to select. Right, so as you can see, the things that are here now is we have this bottle, we have this small shelf that you are seeing on at the left. Now, if I click on this select, if I click on this select, that is this one I'm seeing here. If I click on it, it's going to select the tools that is deletable from this picture. All right, so I can delete this Dubai perfume. As you can see, it's highlighted. I can delete the door you are seeing there, that wooden door. I can also delete this small shelf. So first of all, let me delete the wooden door. I'll delete the wooden door by clicking on it. In order for you to be able to see what you can delete from this picture, you come down and click on this click. Okay. Now click on this wooden door. Now, once I click on the wooden door, you see that the wooden door is highlighted. Okay. Now I'm going to click on magic eraser. I'll click on magic eraser. You just wait for it to erase. Now you see there's no more door there. All right, the door has already left. So that place is now white, like as if it's the normal white, which is the wall. Now the door has disappeared from that place. Now I'm going to click on this thing again. Now you can see that two things are in this picture that is removable. Number one is this Dubai. All right. Number two is that small shelf. Now, mind you, I have to click on this before it can show what is deletable. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on. All right. So, okay, let me remove that. Now I'm going to click on magic eraser. Just wait for it to load. Now you see that I've removed that shelf from that place. Let me click again to see what is possible. I don't know if I can still remove this because the leg of that shelf is showing. So all this place that is showing blue now. All right, now, okay, I can still remove this particular leg that is still showing. It did disappear completely. I'm going to click on magic eraser. You see that it didn't disappear completely, but you can see that it's no longer there. All right. So let me still check if there's anything that I can still remove. Now the only thing that is here is our Dubai. So all right, so this is how you remove a particular picture. Maybe you have a picture, you don't want to erase the whole background, you want to remove some certain things from the background. All right. So with Canva act like AI. It's like an AI app. It's very easy. Don't stress you. So with just one click. All right. Now we also have brush. In our next class, we'll look at how to use brush, but this particular class is targeted towards removing things from your background. All right, using the click tools, which is these particular tools we are using now. All right. So let me just go back. All right. So using the select tools. All right. So the purpose of this class is to use the select tools. Now you can see these select tools is what will help you to remove some certain things from your background without deleting the whole background. All right. Now, if we want to delete the whole background, we just go straight to image tools. All right. We'll go straight to image tools. Come to image tools. All right. So this is where in our next class, we're going to look at all these things. Right. So this image tool is what will help you to delete everything from the background, leaving only this Dubai. But you want to remove some certain things from the background, including the Dubai. Let's say you want to remove the Dubai from this background. Let's go back to select. All right. Let's click on the Dubai. Let's click on erase. Right. Now you can see a few things that I can still remove some certain things from this background. Let me click on this small. I want to remove everything from the background, okay? Leaving only the background behind. All right. So I will still click again to see, okay, I can still remove some certain things. Let me click on this. I will remove it. You see that it's going to remove. All right. So I can still remove this particular, no. All right. Let me go ahead and remove it. All right. Now it said I've reached the maximum number of edits for this image. That means this is a premium Canva, right? Now there's a limit to the amount of edit I can do per image. You can actually click on so many things that I did not edit, so it has been exhausted. As you can see, this is how you edit your image without having to remove. Now I just remove everything from the background. As you can see, there's nothing in this background again. I've removed all the image from this, all the features from this background. So this is how you edit your background without removing the background. This is how you remove objects from your background, from your photos, all right, without having to delete everything from the background. So I'll see you in my next class.